Did the bird fly out, Mason?
Yes.
Yeah?
Flew out.
You gotta be careful, because maybe they'll leave the baby birds, you know?
Yeah. True. Hi.
See, they're scared in there now.
What? I can't even see. It's dark in there. Can you show me the video when you're done taking?
There's a lot of little birds in there.
But I don't see them.
I think they gotta give food to
Mom,
their babies.
can you see them in the video camera? I think they have the gas.
So notice there's no birds around here. I wonder what happened to them. Let's go take a look. Let's look in the hole carefully. What is in that hole in there? What's in there? My, it's a giant snake. And it ate all the birds.